Yo, back with another classic. Today we got a 1988 Cadillac Brougham. Super clean car. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. First thing you'll notice, we went ahead and left it with the old school white walls. We did not go ahead and put the spokes on here. Wanted to kind of keep this one a little bit cheaper for you guys. Again, super solid car. You can tell that it's had a repaint. I can always tell by a couple things. One, stripe being new, and then they also painted the body molding trim. So let's go ahead and move around it. Paint looks great. I don't know. I'm gonna keep going, but maybe about an 8.5. Honestly, did a pretty good job. I didn't see any runs. I didn't see any scratches, so we'll just move around it. Vinyl top appears to be original, and no splits at the seams, so looks pretty solid. Coming to the rear of the vehicle, bumper fillers look good, and again, I can tell, like I said, it's been repainted. No major waves or dents, so she looks pretty clean. Rear glass looks good. As I always tell you guys in the videos, once we get directly under these lights in the back, you can tell how good the paint is by how crisp the light bulbs actually show in the paint. So again, white looks pretty clean. Bumper's in good condition. Don't see any rust, any dents, or any pitting that's on here. As we move around to the passenger side, again, I don't have any major waves or dents that I need to point out, so she looks pretty good. Just gonna keep on moving. Seems to be a very, very solid body. Windshield looks good, no cracks. Actually, I'm sorry. I got a little bit of a rock chip right here. So towards the bottom by the dash, but other than that, windshield looks good, no major cracks. Coming down the trunk, again, trunk looks good, appears to be properly aligned. I don't see it catching on any of the corners. As we move back, front looks phenomenal. Chrome is nice and bright. I have no rust, no dents. Impact strips are intact. Let's go ahead and grab the keys and pop the trunk. I'm sorry, pop the hood and the trunk. All right, relatively clean underneath, nothing special. If you've seen any Brougham, they all almost look exactly the same. 5.0, power brakes, power steering, AC equipped. We'll check them when we do the test drive. Relatively clean underneath. Let me go ahead and pop the trunk, see what's going on back here. See y'all looking at that 84 Monty. That'll be coming soon as well. Nothing special about the trunk. Carpeted. Most Cadillac Broughams are like that. Got the old school 88 book for all the Cadillac models. Always dope. I remember in Detroit going to the North American Auto Show every year. I would fill up my bag with every single book that they had for all the models coming out. So it's kind of dope, honestly. Let's see if the soft close works. And it does. All right, interior. I always think maroon goes excellent with white. So we got a maroon interior. Rear seats look good. No rips or tears. A little tiny bit of a scratch there, but seats look great. Headliner looks pretty good. Had a couple spots that might start sagging, but overall pretty solid. Carpet looks great. There's our door jambs, door panels. Nothing to point out there. Moving to the front passenger seat. Again, beautiful color. Got your normal wear patterns, but no rips or tears. Carpet's in excellent condition. So is our door panel. And dash is great too. We have no warping and no cracks there. I think it's got like 76 or 77,000 miles. I don't remember. I'll check it when we do the test drive, of course. Like I said, beautiful interior. Nothing at all to point out here. Keep it moving. I'm gonna turn on the lights. I want to see if the opera lights work. Nope, nothing there. Passenger seat, no rips or tears. Normal wear patterns, but pretty solid. Mileage does read, oh, I was wrong, 74,846. So 74,000 miles. Super solid. So give me a second, we'll knock out this test drive. All right, y'all, we're gonna get started on the test drive in the 88. Had to move it outside because we had a couple test drives going on. Windows, rolling them up because it's like 60, but it's a little bit windy. So windows good. Get my seatbelt on. I always put my seatbelt on in every video. Safety first. All right, let's see. Power seat. All 6 ways were good there. Door locks work. Horn good. Left turn, right turn. Mileage 74,846. Wipers good. I knew that was gonna happen. We'll let it go. Lights are on. I can see them off that car in the front. It never fails. Like, for some reason on these Caprices and these, when I check the motors, some reason they'll just keep on running. So I knew that was gonna happen too. Maybe I put something wrong. Let me see. Oh, no, my bad. That was me. I had it on mist, not off. So, all right. I know the AC worked. Maybe not. I mean, not the AC. I know the AC worked, but I'm saying maybe the yeah, we're good on the AC, but it won't let me change it to high. So it is cold. It's ice cold out of here. But I cannot. Oh, there we go. Now it's on high. That's crazy. Turn that off.
Israel interesting.
Radio is good. Tank reads half a tank. No lights on the dash. And I was right about the wiper. So we'll get that fixed. Because I got it off, but it's still doing it like every 5 seconds or something. So I don't know. I don't know why I be doing it. I mean, I know it's a GM thing, but man, these Broughams and these box Chevys never fails on me. Finally warming up a little bit. Like I said, it's been raining all week. And then we dropped down from 80 for like 3 weeks down to being in the 55s and 60s. So ready for it to get back. I already drove this car, so I know it drives smooth, but always, you know, we want to make sure we show the test drive. Hands off the wheel. I mean, she's tracking straight. Wheel is turned just a little bit. We're nothing to complain about. I'm on the brakes right now. She's not pulling or anything, so brakes are good. Alignment is pretty solid. No weird noises, no belt squeals, no windows rattling. Of course, you guys hear the windshield wipers, but we'll get that fixed when it's time. Speedometer is working as well. Car shifting smoothly. No exhaust leaks or anything. She's relatively quiet as well. Yeah, brakes are smooth. No issues with suspension. You guys saw we kept the stock size tires on here. So if anything, she's on the softer side and she might bounce a little bit. But I think that's just comparable in comparison to what I'm used to, because we normally put them 22s on. So other than that, like I said, she's floating. No issues at all. No lights on, anything. Didn't have anything to point out. So we're going to get back and throw her on the rack. All right, we got the 88 up on the rack. Man, I just realized I ain't raised this high enough, so I'm going to have to bend down under here. But whatever. Rear bumper looks good. Impact stripped intact. Chrome looks nice and bright. You can see the reflection underneath the car. Super solid. No coating to hide anything. Frame looks great. No signs of leak from the gas tank. Drums in the rear. Exhaust has been done at some point in time. It's hard to say. Looks like all of this is new, but the mufflers look newer, if that makes sense. But the exhaust has clearly been done. Going down the passenger side, frame looks good. Nothing to point out on the floors. No soft spots. Coming down the driver's side, frame again looks beautiful, nice and straight. And floors look amazing. Exhaust is clearly new. No factory cats here. No signs of leak from the oil or trans pan. Looks completely dry. Disc brakes up in the front. Had the AC on, so we got a little bit of water dripping. Nothing crazy. Looks clean under here, nothing to really worry about. There we go. Front bumper looks good as well. You can see the reflection. Chrome looks very nice. Impact strips intact. Coming around the passenger side, chrome cladding also looks good. Wheel wells are solid. Body cladding underneath looks great. And actually did a pretty solid job on the paint. Normally we get to the bottom, you start seeing paint running in that, so pretty solid. Coming down over to the driver's side. Yeah, this thing is super clean underneath and body's in really good condition. So she's all right, y'all. If you're interested in this 88, give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.